G'day guys, welcome to Prospect. Today I'm going to teach you about the Aeropress, right? So right here, make it nice and easy. So if you're like me, you can't start your day because you hate your family, and you just need to get coffee before you do anything else, you've got to have this in your life. So you get some microfilter paper, grab that, make sure it's moist because it clamps onto the bottom nice and easy, and you just screw it on the bottom like that. Nice and simple. After that, you grab this little bad boy, so you don't, if you had a big night out, you don't have to spill it in when you've got a hangover. Nice and easy. Just grab a couple of one of these, tip it in, done. Simple as. So once you've poured your coffee in, you're going to take that off, throw this on top here. Now you've got these markers on the side which reflect how many cups of water you're going to have. So we're going to take our kettle, just add the boiling water.
Yes.
Like that. And you take your little spoon here and stir it around, nice and easy. And then we plunge it. Take it nice and slow because it is boiling water. It should take about 15 seconds or so generally. And there we are, piping hot coffee in the morning.